and you're very welcome to this, our fourth video in our series on economic indicators for junior cycle of business learning outcome 3.9. And what we're going to learn about in this video is we are going to learn about how to do some calculations. So you will need your calculator for this video. We're going to learn what the formula for calculating the rate of unemployment is. And we're going to find out, we're going to calculate the rate of unemployment then using this formula when we're given a set of figures. So the formula for calculating the unemployment rate is quite simply the number of unemployed people over the total number in the labour force multiplied by 100. Can you remember what the labour force is? I learned about it in the last video, but it's the total number of people who are willing and available to work in an economy aged between 16 and 65. Doesn't include retired people or full-time students. So basically, everyone who's unemployed, so those that don't have a job but are looking for one, over the total number of people who are working and looking for work, multiplied by 100, the 100 is gives us the percentage, is your formula. So let's have a quick look then at a nice little question. So Narnia is a small country. In 2018, there were 45,000 people employed. There were 50,000 people deemed to be in the labour force. Calculate the rate of unemployment for Narnia in 2018. That's great English grammar there. That should just say for Narnia in 2018. So see there if you can figure that out yourself. Okay, pause the video there. And let's see how you get on. When you're ready, press play. Rightio, so let's see how you get on with that one there. Well, what you do is I take note of the key figures that's given to me in the question. So the number of employed people was 45,000 and the labour force was 50,000. I then find out how many people are unemployed. Well, if there's 45,000 people employed and 50,000 people available to work, I take the two of them away from each other and I get, so 50,000 minus 45,000, that gives me my number of people that are unemployed, which is 5,000 people. 5,000 people, which is the number of unemployed, over the total labour force was 50,000 people, multiplied by 100 over 1, put that into my calculator and I get a rate of unemployment of 10%. So that's quite a high rate of unemployment in this economy. So folks, that is how you calculate, so you now know the formula for calculating the rate of unemployment and you now know how to do those calculations. I would encourage you to practice some questions there now after watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you enjoyed it, why not give the video a like and of course subscribe to the channel. Thanks very much for watching. See you now folks, bye.